Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back. And do you know Baseball 9? You want to have infinite coins? Then let's get to it. Okay, guys, so I've actually got Baseball 9 on my phone right now. And as you can see, all I have is 3,000 coins, right? 3,000 coins. That is all I have right now. But of course, we are going to change that right now. And we're going to show you how you can do it right at home. Okay, it's very quick, very simple. Just follow the tutorial, follow the video, and you should be just good to go. Alright guys, now let's prepare and let's get into it. Okay, so first what I want you to do is get into your settings and find for me the general, and here what you want to do is to make sure that the background app refresh is turned on Wi-Fi and mobile data, guys. Okay, Wi-Fi and mobile data right here. Alright, and now you should find for me the apps and find the App Store and make sure that the automatic downloads is turned on. Okay guys, the automatic downloads should be on. Okay, and that should be done. Now what you want to do is go into Safari and get into this app, appsblah.com. This is this website that is going to make the magic happen. Okay guys, as you can see, Baseball 9 is right here, but there is a lot of other apps. Just go into the search here if you don't find it in the top and press Baseball 9, and there it is. And what you need to do is just press on it, download it, and okay, I'm just gonna download right here. Coin's gonna be directly deposited into your account. Okay, and now as it is downloading, and once it's done guys, we're gonna go into something called a verification process because it is a free feature. So you do still need to do something to, you know, support, help out the producers that produces this feature. Right, it's very simple. All you need to do is download 2 tasks from the list below, 2 apps. I'm gonna download this Travel Town. Okay, right, and we are going to go back and download our second app, which is, let's say, just do TikTok here. Right, everybody has a TikTok, right? Okay, but you actually need to delete the TikTok first if you want this to work. And now we're gonna go into the game and we are going to just play it for a very quick few minutes. I mean, maybe just 1 or 2, doing whatever you want. It doesn't really have to be anything particular. You just need to spend your time on it, or 1-2 minutes. I am just going to, you know, do some merging here. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now let's go for TikTok. Just the same thing. Just, I don't know, do whatever you want. I'm just gonna go for something random here. Okay, just do whatever you want on the app for 1 to 2 minutes and you should be good to go. All right, I'm just gonna scroll. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, and I think we should be good to go. Now we are going to get back onto our Baseball 9. Okay, and as you can see, right now it has not yet, but that's it guys. As you can see, the coins are rolling in. It is so quick, so easy guys, and as you see guys, only take about a few minutes and you can now enjoy the game at its fullest. So fun, so crazy, so good, and of course 1 million coins. And of course now guys, it is your turn to do it right at home.